Following the incident on Thursday night at Khandailat, Shillong, the local taxi drivers, under the leadership of their president, Wandonbok Jerwa, had protested at the taxi parking area at Police Bazaar on the 19th of May 2023, thereby disrupting the flow of traffic and also causing inconvenience to passengers commuting by local taxis that were forced to stop and not proceed further than the Police Bazaar point. Speaking to reporters on Friday, the president of the Taxi Drivers Association, Wandonbok Jerwa, said that the members will allow for the Meghalaya police to do their job, failing which the association will decide on alternate ways of dealing with the issue.
Naglayang ini pasang adin mengilang budin taruh nang tersang wan police station naglayang ke bor ba dekri anti pau ba direktris istri sabe adu kalmanta ya kini gi brio balik ini kapsneo bat ni ru ikan tu ni ang balaku no kuno lada dei yo produk pasnam jemi dari fasi tang hapo iflet mat ipakliat lala mantem kan bayi kini balai kimla mantem dan iu mantem hadir tu anaknya menginang tres yang menang wat ini ya kata jimat jongki ru hadu kat manta ngimtip laki wat hok sisan ki kemat ya kata ngimtip dari naglang kini pesan ni ngimskohun ya kini benta bangin sasim bari karai ke ba khamtge lada naglang police department ka simsting ini kakam hak or sabuji sibin nang lai sabuji kunu mengin simirai ka karai ke ba khamtge ta lada kilayo kem no ngin sa sopor khat kumai lada kilayo kem bataru ngin sa simrai
malung muka kena sangi kajing kamai kita
kajing sangi kene kamai hi kamdai lo bagi sangi naglang jungin pasang henry kadai da kamang so ha man kajungki nongnya tadi hi nakatau ba kajing sa nakatau kajing sa so jong produk prosnam pra nongnya kadi ba im mitski hang ne po naila teki sange hi da pramati bat ni kum kasang hi hajing sisa ngiyong system lagi we kinang ni song meeting kaba naglang ki kinhun jongi patay badan hang ne po naila circle la ya ja kam kwasatman akaba kin sange ban kamai dakamon lagod jong adi kam da panbor na
ke kemudian bagi ngi dan lang te police station kajing kular ba playo laki ba kin ba be bunalap ke dai kementan ba pilit biang mentaka insurance biang nem tan
ya mentahi insurance kalau kunju kalau menen bagi yang nginang wat kajing wat kajungki kalong ba da kumno ngam tipsu nama kat klinik CCTV kuron ne po kandailan lada kam trekam balik mensubuh ka ini balik menbijai pat ya kaspa kajungi pat ka lembab subuh frame ta ini CCTV nah kalau makibu so tang makiban kibri panapar banong ba sulong kadang 8 biang CCTV na ne kadai kakam hirup pindat sai katahi kadai ba naglang jungi ngilai ya kata ka chicken talk kakmat jongu second charge angti po sata kata.
The president of the United Nyotrep Movement, UHM, Charlie Rani, who had extended support to the local taxi drivers, said that the organization will approach the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to demand for all non-tribal taxi owners to obtain trading license and for a labor license to be issued to non-tribal taxi drivers.
Kani ka message kalong siya ka council. Namar kani teli taxi badan hang ni lanya di Mender. Bat ladon lalong terakhir bakato kami di taksi yang ni lagi Mender. Di katkum kadi ka an jong dis council the trading by non tribals kadon hang tu ba yo kanu ka kamalan trade du barjela deban yo ya trading license. Dada kalong ha local taxi udon ni local taxi ni tourist taxi kali kamai jadi ban yo ya trading license support ka dis council. Bat punju ri ki driver di banyak belai di kali di ban yo ya labor license. Kata kadi kuwai ke ba kadis council lu kadi bencuk kaya nang ni skman amba ka boycott tang nakaliang ka association ni kini kali ba kamay di Dakar ngadai kadi kalay tingko lang mentaru ba kadis council ba kadi ban pek perman menta kadis council nang ni skman ba ginu kita kali jung ibarjela ba kala kamay di ibarjela ki bamdan ni labor license kini ban pensange no ban sange no ka kamay hidu wat ya kita try kali bamdan ni trading license kata kadi ka khubor nakaliang ka seng jungi sepo kadis council.
In connection with the Khandailat assault case on local taxi drivers on the late evening of 18th May, a case was registered under the Sadar police station. During the course of investigation, the Special Cell East Khasi Hills, along with the help of Guwahati police, were able to nab on the 19th of May 2023 at Guwahati the 5 persons involved in the assault case.